Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share how I did a macrame chandelier with Fringe. So, let's get started. For the top layer I needed a metal piece from an old light shade and 87 strings, 150 centimeters each. Yes, that many. I have attached them with Lark's head knot. As a tip, I strongly recommend pre-cutting all of the cords. It simply speeds up your work. Let's focus on the cords required for this section to simplify things a bit. For the decorating accent I chose a Macadamia Knot, which is basically made from square nuts, and I did 2 of them. It is crucial to leave 2 small holes on top of this knot, as I will thread cords through them. Secure this section with 1 square knot. Then I added 2 double cords from both sides and did a diagonal double half hitch knot on both sides. The first cord is used as a guide, and the rest are knotted over the first one. I hope that makes sense. Finish by connecting 2 guide cords. Add 1 double cord from both sides and repeat the pattern. Snap! Done! I wanted to create a fringe, so I have added 1 2-meter cord using Lark head knot. Then attached it every 3 sections with continuous Lark head knot. Then I've attached 126 cords, 1 meter each. Abracadabra, and here they are. Unravel them on brush. I used a steamer to make them straight and it worked magic. Honestly, I've tried many things to straighten the cord and this one is the best. Seriously, try it and you won't regret it. Okay, I wanted my fringe to be approximately 15 or 16 centimeters long, so I measure it and cut some of them to create a guide. Then I cut the rest, trying to shape it nicely. Be careful not to cut the cords at the back. Well, this step is all about trimming, so trim, trim and trim it all around. Good luck! When the trimming was finally done, I measured the long cords and you know what I did next? Yeah, I trimmed them. I unraveled them, brushed them, straightened them and gave them a final trim. Many hours later, they looked amazing. Just look at it. Beautiful. But let's get back to work. I wanted to add an extra layer to the chandelier, so I've attached 70 pieces of cord to a smaller hoop with Lark's head knot. To ensure that the cords stay in place, I've added an extra cord around the small ring. I've attached it with a double half hinge knot. Because the cord is quite thick, I didn't have enough space to knot every cord twice, so I decided to flip the first cord from a pair just once and the second twice. There are a few ways how to finish this section. You can leave it as it is, as it won't be visible. You can make a regular knot to finish it. I like to sew it through the other side with blunt needles and then make a regular knot. After that, I unravel it, brush it and straighten it. Add 3 cords and attach the smaller hoop to the chandelier. Don't forget to trim the bottom layer. We are nearly there. I didn't plan to add support cords to the chandelier as it isn't heavy, but I decided to do it in the end. You can also attach some spray painted chains if you want. For the support cord, I use a snake knot. I did the knot until it measures approximately 15 centimeters. Then connected it all with Macadamia knot and make a hook with it. Ta-da! It's all done! If you like it, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. See you soon!